Yeah, don't spill it.
It's not bubble juice.
Everybody need me to open
Yeah,
the
this
top part?
hits. Mom!
Yeah.
Can we hold it?
Sure. You don't want to blow bubbles?
Hey! If you go to the top of that big hill, then they will go farther. Come on. Yeah. I'm supposed to see.
Oh, no, I'm good. All good. We just walked here this morning.
Ooh, look at those bubbles Andrew's blowing. Very good bubbles.
Wait, does it have to go this way? Does it have to go this way or the key?
I don't know.
After the sharp turn, do the first right. That's fairly close. Oh,
I think they went out that way.
He's in the
Yeah, they just
grave.
painted them. Yeah.
Ken's in the grave. Are there? That's Ken's friend.
Andrew, yeah.
That's good.
Whoa, a huge bubble!
Is that your son? Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Sarah!
Crazy.
Sarah! More friends have come, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all these kids.
Look behind you! I know. With my friends.
Yeah, because somebody could get hurt, Kev, so be careful. It is kind of scary, isn't it? Hold on tight. Don't go too... Don't do it too hard, Kev. Don't do it too hard. Sarah's coming down next. There she goes, the birthday girl. The birthday girl, Sarah. She's having so much fun. What are you doing, Sarah? Sarah, is this another friend of yours? What's her name?
Yeah, she's in preschool too. I saw you before.
That's right. You saw. Oh, look at this. Group hug, group hug.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I remember you.
I remember you too. I'm thinking, are you Stephanie? No. What is your name again?
Kristen.
Oh, that's right.
And I'm 4 years old.
You're how old? Oh, that's right. You are the younger sister of what is your older sister's name?
Her name is
Oh, that's Stephanie. That's why I called you Stephanie. I was confused. You guys look kind of alike.
I remember her. Kristen.
Yeah.
Master Stephanie.
Yeah. Stephanie and Kristen.
These fast sketchers.
Yeah? Wow, look how fast you run.
Okay, this is too dangerous.
I can run faster than that.
Good job. You were fast. You were fast. Wow.
I want you to get hurt in something else.